Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we shall be exploring the UACE Biology Paper 1 sample paper which was released by the Uganda National Examinations Board officials. This resource gives learners and teachers an opportunity to understand the new assessment approach and the type of thinking expected in the examination. As the pages are displayed on your screen, take time to observe the situations, data, and tasks presented in each item. One thing that immediately stands out is that biology is no longer about recalling facts alone. Candidates are expected to apply biological knowledge to real-life situations and provide logical explanations based on scientific principles. The sample paper presents different scenarios drawn from health, environment, conservation, and human activities. Students are required to analyze information, identify biological relationships, then use evidence to support their conclusions. This approach encourages deeper understanding rather than memorization. If you find videos like this useful, consider subscribing to Phonex's online learning platform. We regularly share sample paper discussions, revision resources, and examination updates to support your academic journey. As we continue through the paper, notice how each item requires careful interpretation before answering. A candidate who rushes to write an answer without understanding the context may miss important details. Reading the scenario carefully is therefore an essential skill. Another interesting feature of this sample paper is the use of tables, figures, and observations. Candidates are expected to study the information provided, identify patterns, and explain the biological processes involved. This means that successful learners should develop strong analytical and reasoning abilities. Teachers may also find this sample paper valuable because it provides insight into the competencies that students are expected to demonstrate. It can guide classroom discussions and help learners practice applying biological concepts in meaningful ways. As you review the pages on the screen, you pay attention to the language used in the questions. Words such as analyze, evaluate, propose, justify, and explain require different approaches. Understanding these command words can help candidates provide responses that match the expectations of the examiners. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, this is a great opportunity to do so. More educational content covering biology and other UACE subjects will be shared in the coming weeks. Biology is a subject that helps us understand living organisms and their interactions with the environment. The sample paper reflects this by presenting situations that connect classroom knowledge to everyday life. Students who understand concepts and can apply them practically are likely to perform better in the examination. One useful revision strategy is to attempt the sample paper independently before discussing answers with friends or teachers. This allows you to identify areas that need improvement and build confidence in your own abilities. As we approach the end of this review, remember that effective preparation requires consistency. Study regularly, practice interpreting biological information, and make use of resources such as sample papers and scoring guides. Before we conclude, I would like to encourage you once again to subscribe to the channel and share this video with fellow students. Together, we can make learning more accessible and examination preparation more effective. Thank you for watching. I wish all biology candidates success in their revision and excellent performance in their UACE examinations.